Hello, I am from IN Academy and I am going to explain some of the basic concepts of physics. मैं आपको सॉलिड एंगल के कंसेप्ट के बारे में बताऊंगा। सॉलिड एंगल फिजिक्स के कई टॉपिक्स में यूज करते हैं, जैसे गॉसेस थ्योरम और भी कई जगह है। सो लेट मी फर्स्ट एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज़ द प्लेन एंगल। हम लोग जानते हैं कि जब एक लाइन दूसरे लाइन पर इंक्लाइन होकर मिट करता है किसी पॉइंट के ऊपर, तो ये एक एंगल बनाता है। दिस इज कॉल्ड थीटा एंड दिस इज द प्लेन एंगल। दिस इज कॉल्ड प्लेन एंगल। एंड व्हाट इज सॉलिड एंगल? जब कोई एक सरफेस है, सपोज दिस इज ए सरफेस, एनी सरफेस, दिस इज ds, स्मॉल सरफेस, और सपोज देयर इज ए पॉइंट P, तो इस पॉइंट के ऊपर इस सरफेस के द्वारा जो एंगल बनाया जाएगा, द एंगल सबटेंडेड एट दिस पॉइंट P बाय दिस सरफेस इज कॉल्ड सॉलिड एंगल। सो देयर इज सम प्रोसेस टू कैलकुलेट द सॉलिड एंगल। इस सरफेस के कारण इस पॉइंट के ऊपर जो एंगल बनता है, जिसे सॉलिड एंगल बोलते हैं, ये एक एरिया होता है। दिस इज एन एरिया, स्मॉल एरिया। सो लेट अस एक्सप्लेन हाउ दिस एरिया इज फॉर्म्ड। एट फर्स्ट हमको ये समझना पड़ेगा कि एरिया का डायरेक्शन क्या है। व्हाट इज डायरेक्शन ऑफ एन एरिया? सपोज दिस इज ए स्मॉल एरिया, सो इस एरिया का डायरेक्शन, इससे एक नॉर्मल बनाएंगे इस एरिया के ऊपर, एंड दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस स्मॉल एरिया dx। सपोज दिस इज एरिया ds, सो इसका डायरेक्शन इस एरिया से नॉर्मल, ये जो डायरेक्शन है, दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस एरिया ds। नाउ सपोज देयर इज ए पॉइंट P, दिस इज ए पॉइंट P एंड दिस इज एन एरिया ds। हमको ये कैलकुलेट करना है कि इस एरिया ds के कारण इस पॉइंट P के ऊपर कितना सॉलिड एंगल बनता है। सो व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस? हम लोग सबसे पहले इस एरिया के सारे कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स को, द ऑल कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स आर जॉइंट टू पॉइंट्स P। तो सपोज these are the points which are we are joining to this point P. Now जब इसको हम ज्वाइन करेंगे तो this will become a cone. This is a cone. ये एरिया ds के सारे कॉर्नर्स पॉइंट्स को P से ज्वाइन करने पर एक कोन हमें मिलता है। इस पॉइंट पर एक 1 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस का स्फीयर बनाया जाता है। दिस इज ए सॉलिड स्फीयर, S बनाया जाता है। ये स्फीयर और इस कोन को अगर हम देखें तो इस स्फीयर का एक स्मॉल एरिया इस कोन के अंदर चला जाता है। दिस स्मॉल एरिया, दिस इज डिनोटेड बाय d ओमेगा एंड दिस इज द सॉलिड एंगल। दिस इज सॉलिड एंगल ऑफ एरिया ds at P। दिस d omega is the solid angle of area ds at P, and this is an small area, spherical area. This is an small area, so this is solid angle d omega. We have to find out the area of this sphere, small circle, you can say. This is the small circle, so we have to find out area of this small circle. So now we will calculate the solid angle. So this is point P, this is area ds, this is normal to this area, and this is the direction of area ds. What we do, suppose this is the point O, we join this point P to the point O and extend it towards this point N. Now suppose this angle is theta, this is the theta. So if we find out the component of this area along AN, so what will be the value? So this is ds and this is the line N, ON. So इसका कंपोनेंट इस डायरेक्शन में हम निकालेंगे, तो दिस कंपोनेंट, दिस इज थीटा, सो दिस इज ds cos थीटा It means that if we consider this area along this direction, so this is the ds cos theta, ds cos theta. So what will be the figure? So this becomes the area ds. This is ds cos theta along this direction, and this is the point P. This is point P. Now where is the cone? So we have joined all the corner points. Now we take 1 centimeter radius and we draw a circle. This is the circle as I explained here. So there is a small area inside the cone, and this is the solid angle. This is d omega. So to calculate, we are just drawing a figure. Suppose this is point P. This point we are taking as O dash. There is solid angle, and this point is O. This point is O, and here is this area. This is the ds cos theta, and this is the solid angle. So this area is d omega. Now this distance is 1 from here, because this radius of this sphere is 1, and this distance from P to O is r. Means O dash P is 1 and OP is equal to r. Now we draw this line. Suppose this is M and this is N. Now we complete this triangle. So in triangle we are taking the triangles PO dash M, PO dash M and PON. These are the similar triangles because all sides are parallel. So PO dash divided, so O dash M divided by ON is equal to PO dash divided by PO. Now we are squaring both sides. So O dash M whole square by ON whole square is PO dash square by PO square. Now PO dash is 1, so this is 1, and PO is R, so actually this is PO dash is, so this is R square. Now we multiply numerator and denominator by pi. Now pi O dash M whole square, so this is the pi R square. Pi O dash M square is pi square, so this is the area d omega. This is the solid angle, this area, divided by pi O N square. This is the pi R square, this area. So this is ds cos theta. So this is equal to 1 by R square. Therefore d omega becomes equal to ds cos theta divided by R square. This is the solid angle d omega. This is the solid angle. Unit, it has no unit because this is area and this is again unit of area. Now this is, what is d omega? This d omega is the solid angle subtended at point P by the area ds. This is the solid angle subtended at P by area ds. Now suppose there is a closed surface S, and we have to find out the total solid angle by this closed surface at this point. So we follow the same process again. You take a small area, then calculate here solid angle. So this will be a small area at distance 1. Again, then take again a small area, you calculate solid angle. So when you will take all the area on this closed surface, you will get small areas here of radius 1. So what is this? This is a sphere of radius 1. So now if you calculate the total solid angle at this point, so this is d omega solid angle, and we integrate for the closed surface, whole surface. So this becomes, we can write it, this is integration of closed surface we put value from above, ds cos theta by r square. And what is the value? So this is the area of this sphere. So what is area? 4 pi into radius is 1 square. So this is 4 pi. So what is the result now? So therefore the total angle, the total solid angle at a point by a closed surface is equal to, this is 4 pi. So this is the basic of solid angle, that at any point the area subtended by an area ds is the ds cos theta by r square. This is represented by d omega. It has no units and dimensions because numerator and denominator both have the same units and same area. And the total solid angle at a point subtended by a closed surface of any shape is equal to 4 pi. So this is the concept of solid angle, and this is used in various topics of physics, as for example in deriving Gauss's theorem, we use this concept. So thank you very much.